What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T Hoop, and I'm back again with another video. And today going to be a quick 24-hour, well, less than 24-hour impressions video of the Google Pixel 3a. Now, I got this yesterday. Right off the rip, I'm not going to get deep into anything. Get your mind out of the gutter. Anyway. But what I will give you is my first, I guess I could say overnight thoughts, because I had a little bit of time to play with it when I got off from work last night. Now, I like big phones, so I stepped out of the box and picked up, now it is a 5.6 inch display. Now, coming from the OnePlus 7 Pro and my Samsung, the S10 Plus, this is a huge adjustment. It is very small to me. I have bigger hands. So I went in this with an open mind. And so far, it's not that big of a deal. For one reason only. The cameras. The cameras on this phone. Now, I know everybody say it's nothing different. Google has the best cameras. I haven't been able to experience it. I mean, I had the Google, I forgot which one it was, back in the day, before the cameras got this awesome. I'm telling you, the cameras on this phone, in my opinion, are better, way better, light years better than the OnePlus 7 Pro and the S10 Plus. These bad boys right here are freaking amazing. There's one single camera is absolutely amazing. And I will show you in my next video what I'm talking about. Other than that, the phone is slow. I think the processor is 650, Snapdragon 650, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I've seen a little hiccups here and there scrolling through Facebook and stuff like that. Nothing major, nothing that you wouldn't expect from a $399 phone. Nothing that would deter me from really liking this phone. The screen, absolutely amazing. The screen, it's not an AMOLED, it's an OLED display. It is absolutely amazing. The colors are bright. Let me see if I can give you a little idea. I mean, the screen is nice. You can't tell going through the camera here, but the display is nice. The colors pop. It's crisp. so far, I'm loving this phone. I'm loving this phone. The only thing is the size, but I think I can get over that. But I will go more in depth. Oh, the speakers on here, pretty good. I would like the notifications to be a little bit louder. But all in all, watching videos, YouTube, whatnot, speakers are great. You got the speaker up there. And then you got the one single bottom fine speaker, that one. And then I believe that one is just for aesthetics, I think, or is the other way around. But they sound good. They sound good. But I will have a more in-depth review probably in another week. Take some photos. But like I said, the less than 24-hour review of this device or impressions at $399, I'm wild out. I'm wild out. All right, y'all. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. I got to go to work. Peace.